We live in an increasingly complex world, and the future challenges that confront our children will not only get more complicated. In order to solve the problems of tomorrow, kids today need to learn how to break down complex issues, observe patterns in the world that surrounds them, identify general principles that generate these patterns, and work methodically towards a solution. Each of these elements is a skill and a way of thinking which together encapsulate how a coder thinks. With over 4 years of experience, more than 9 long-term courses, various boot camps, nationwide institutions, and a track record of incredible student outcomes, Teky is an investment in a child's future, whether they are 5, 18, or somewhere in between. We have perfected the system to guide them from total beginner to high school bound pro. As one of the top educational STEAM academy in Vietnam, Teky currently has 16 academies, including 7 in the north and 9 in the south. All of them are placed in ideal location. This is the 21st century learning environment with modern facility and equipment, meeting international standards, ensuring safety, dynamism simulating creativity and passion. The modern online technology platform manages the learning process and connects students nationwide to build a learning community, to nurture passion and develop talent. At Teky, we want the kid not only to have the best practical application knowledge in technology, but also gain the habits of solving problems and the 4C soft skills of the 21st century. We provide the most suitable and inspiring learning environment that captivates and innovates children's creativity. Our mission is to become the number 1 in STEAM education across the Southeast Asia region in terms of number of training center integrated with EduTech solution. We mind on diverse learning material, devices and trending technology. These are the most updated education technology. Kids will be trained 4C skill set of the 21st century comprise critical thinking, communications, creativity, and collaboration. These 4 skills are essential for modern students to succeed in school and even in the world of work. They often make the biggest impact in terms of setting students apart when starting their careers. Above all, kids will be trained to form good habits, solving problems, having critical thinking, teamwork skill, or even own a practical mindset. With the compelling value to school, Teky commit to educate the new learning method for the next generation. Kids have to be prepared more than we used to think to go further in the future. Besides providing knowledge, Teky is also the organizer and training institute of reputation national competitions such as Coding Hackathon 2020, Teky Robotic Arena 2019. This is not only a chance for students to apply their studying to real-world usage, but also a place where they prepare for international competitions. Human has the most important role in Teky Academy. All of the people at any positions are trained and work by the value series named Spirit. Spirit comprises S. Spirit of learning and self-learning. P. proactive. I. Constructively interactive. R. Responsible. I. Innovation. And T. Teamwork. Established for 4 years, Teky has been highly evaluated by a reputational organization. We have achieved many awards: School of Future, EdTech Leadership, Asian Business Awards 2019, etc. The results are both a recognition for the efforts of the Teky team and a motivation for Teky to strike harder and create more value for society.